This is the next phase of my boat trailer project. This is a 1973 Sears trailer that is holding a Columbia fiberglass boat, 12.5 foot. I needed a spare tire mount and I didn't like the one that was original to the trailer, so I made my own. So here we go. This is ultimately going to hold two spares. I only have one right now, and you can see the discs there I made on the CNC mill and then welded them to that's 1.5 square tube, and of course some U-bolts on the bottom end holding it. Doesn't really need all 5 bolts, but you know, welding's kind of fun and it looks cool. So, and then here's this old nasty spare that I've got that came with the trailer that hopefully will work. At least it works well enough for this. Anyway, you can see there how that thing looks. And there you go. So that will ultimately hold 2 spares on this trailer, and then we'll check out the rest later.